Greeting everyone. Today we are discussing about the sequence and series chapter. It is very important for the 10th and 11th class, 12 also, and competitive examination also. So now today we are discussing about the sequence and series. And what is the sequence? Sequence is a list of items, objects which have been arranged in a sequential way. Means we will arrange any items and object in a sequential way, that is called sequence. Now again the series, the sum of the items, your terms, the sum of the terms of a sequence and other defined, you can say a relation between the all terms of a sequences is called series. We have write down here the example, and now today we are discussing about the part types of the sequence and series and others. Firstly, we will discussing about the arithmetic progression. So you have write down it. So now we are discussing about the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a arithmetic progression. Yeah, arithmetic progression. It is the part of the series arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. But here we will discuss about the 10th class is arithmetic progression and 11th class both arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So now a sequence is a sequence in which every terms is created by adding and subtracting a definite number of a sequence is called of a preceding number. It means any sequence या any number in a arithmetic progression, the terms is created adding and subtracting a definite number. मतलब एक फिक्स नंबर होता है जिसको हम एडिंग या सब्ट्रैक्टिंग करते हैं उसके प्रीसीडिंग माने पहले नंबर से. देन वी विल गेट अ सीरीज दैट इज कॉल्ड द arithmetic progression. So now we are going again. How can we write it? Now again, if a1 a2 are the AP series, it is AP series, then a1 is called first term, D is a common difference. It is very important, common difference. The other one we can say the define of the arithmetic progression in a series have the equal common difference between all consecutive terms, that is called arithmetic progression. Means उनके बीच में जो common difference होना चाहिए वो क्या होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल इक्वल होना चाहिए हर उसमें. जैसे एग्जाम्पल 2 4 6 means it is the multiples of 2 and the difference between the common difference between the two consecutive numbers is the same. देखो यहाँ पे 2 2 2 2 2 2 कॉमन डिफरेंस दो, सब में क्या होता रहेगा, सेम हो गया. तो इट मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. नाउ अगेन द अनदर टर्म्स. तो how other terms of AP is a short form of this. Then formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. where an equal to last term, a equal to first term, next is nth term, and d equal to common difference. It is very important. It is a formula for the nth terms. So now we will discuss about here, and otherwise if we will take AP series, first term, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, and series continuously we are going. It will be make a what arithmetic progression series. Again, now we will do the some question about this. First question is there, what AP series. Now we are solving here AP series question. Solution of first question. Last term we will find. It means we have given a equal to 7, d equal to 3, n equal to 8. So last term we will use the formula. Last term a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of a 7 plus n 8 minus 1 into d 3. So 7 plus 7 multiply 3. So 7 plus 21 equal to 28. It means the last term of this series is what? 28. Solution of second question. Is we will find out the first term and common difference. So we have a AP arithmetic series is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3, so on. Then first term equal to first term. Write down it. First term is equal to 3, and first term equal to 3. Second and common difference. It is a A, and common difference D equal to subtract first term from second terms. It means T2 minus T1, another T3 minus T2. It is T1, T2, T3, so on. So now what? T2 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Second T3 minus 1 and minus 1 equal to minus 2. It means common difference D equal to minus 2. Then we have solved the two question of this arithmetic progression series. Now the next question is third question. Third question is there. What? Third question is question number. Solution of third. What? How many 3-digit number? So 3-digit number starting from. So here 3-digit number starting from 100 to 99. Clear? 100 to 99 the 3-digit number in our counting, and in the question we ask how many 3-digit number are divisible by 7. So firstly we will check which number is divisible by 7 in between 100 to 999. So 101 is not divisible by 7, 102 is not divisible by 7, 103 is not divisible by 7, 104 is not divisible by 7, but 105 is a divisible by 7. So now clear? 10 is not. AP we will get 15. Second is 112. third is 119, because the gap is 777, and last is 99 is not, 999 is not, 998 is not divisible by 7, 997 is not divisible by 7, 996 is not divisible by 7, 995 is not divisible by 7, but only 994 is divisible by 7. So it means we will get a AP, arithmetic progression. Its first term is 105, common difference D equal to 112 minus 105 equal to 7, and last term AN equal to 994. But here not, number of terms we have no, then here we will find out the number of terms. So now use the formula for nth terms. Use formula of nth term. What is the formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Again an 995 equal to a 105 plus n, we will find multiply d equal to 7. 994 transpose of 105 equal to n minus 5 into 7. What here 889 subtract करने में इसमें वही into 7 is transpose here 9 by 7 equal to n minus 1, crossing here 1 to 7, 1 to 7 equal to n minus 1, ट्रांसपोज ऑफ माइनस 1, तो माइनस 1 इधर आगे क्या हो जाएगा प्लस 1 इक्वल टू n, तो n इक्वल टू 128. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स बिटवीन 3 डिजिट नंबर्स आर, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आर कितने 128. इट मीन्स 100 to 99, in between 100 to 99 120 terms, 128 terms are divisible by 7. Clear? Next, for the next term, the sum of nth terms. Now again next formula, it is AP series is going on. Okay, sum of nth terms of a AP. Clear? So the formula is direct, Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here clearly a is a first term, I have already again write down it, and d common difference, and next what, n number of terms, and again number of terms, and second formula is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. It means it is last terms. If we have given the last terms in the question, then we will directly use this formula. We will use here an equal to L. It means it is last terms. So two formula we will use for find out the sum of what AP series. Clear? So in before you have understood about the nth terms, how can we find out the nth terms, first terms and common difference. Now addition sum of the nth terms. The question is there. First question is what? Find the sum of A. Solution of question number 4. Solution of 4 is 34 plus 32 plus 30 10. So here A equal to here a equal to 34, d equal to 32 minus 34 equal to minus 2, and an equal to 10. But here we have not n, number of terms we have no. So then firstly we will find out the number of terms. So then use UPC nth terms. Nth terms an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a 34 plus n minus 1 into d, what is d? Minus 2. Here an equal to 10. Transpose of the number 34, sign will be changed, n minus 1 equal to minus 2. Next is here 10 minus 24 by transpose of minus 2 equal to n minus 1, minus cancel 12. So 12 equal to n minus 1. So then n equal to 12 plus 1, n equal to 13 terms. It means total terms in between are 13. So then now sum of 13 terms, use Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an l. Sn as 13 equal to 13 by 2 a, what is a? 34 plus an, here 34 by 2, 34 44, 2 se cancel, it means 30 multiplied 22, and lastly we will get 286. So answer, sum of 13 terms of AP is what? 286. Clear? So it is our answer of question number 4. Firstly, because in this question we have know the number of terms, and without unknowing the nth terms we can't solve the sum. We cannot find out the sum of the nth terms. Now again the next question we will do. Yes, what question is solution of 5. Question number 5, find the sum of the odd numbers. So firstly we know the odd numbers between odd numbers between what? 0 to 50 are 1 2 3 1 3 5, so on. So then last number is 49. So AP equal to 1 3 5 49. So then a equal to 1. Second, d equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and an equal to 9. But here we have also not known about the number of terms. N is not here. So firstly we will find out the n terms. So then for n terms, formula is use an equal to e plus n minus 1 into d. Same, an equal to 49, a equal to 1 plus n minus 1, d equal to 2, transpose 49 minus 1 equal to n minus 1 into 2. Here 48 transpose of 2 equal to n minus 1, 24. So n equal to 24 plus 1, n equal to 25 terms. Clear? Here we will find out the n equal to 25. Now again, sum of 20 terms in given AP. So now use Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an, S25 equal to n 25 by 2 a plus a, what is a, 1 plus an 49. So 25 by 2 multiply 50 cross cutting it 25, and 25 multiply 25 equal to 625. It is sum of, so sum of all numbers between 0 to 50 is 625. It is answer. So it is totally question are coming in the 10th class on the basis of this type of question. But now because we are heading is a sequence and series, so it is also for the 11th class. Here we will discussing about the GP, geometric progression. So firstly, the geometric progression is defined as geometric progression. It is for 11th class basically, but in a competitive exam is also coming a sequence defined in a sequences which every terms is created by multiplication and dividing. Multiplication and dividing a definite number of preceding numbers. It means in the case of arithmetic progression, the terms are, every terms is addition and subtracting of a defined number and the preceding, मतलब अपने पहले नंबर से एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन. बट इन केस ऑफ geometric progression we will find out the difference terms between multiplication and division. Other define is very easy. Now simply is if the common ratio should be equal of all series, that is called geometric progression. So now here series is 1, 3, 9 GP, so it is geometric progression. Geometric progression means multiplication and division we will preceding numbers. तो देखो यहाँ पे now for the nth terms, of a GP, formula is Tn equal to A R n minus 1. Here A equal to first term, same A equal to first term, R equal to common ratio, and n equal to nth term. Clear? So now here we will discussing about the geometric progression. It is not for 10th class but 12th class and competitive examination will become. So now we will solve the question number 6 on the basis of this formula. The solution of question number 6. What? Find 10th terms of a GP. GP is what 1 2 4 8 so on, n equal to 10. So now use for nth terms. A equal to 1, r equal to, is very important, r equal to t2 by t1 या t3 by t2. तो now t2 2 by 1 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. तो r equal to 2, a equal to 1, n equal to 10. Now use formula tn equal to a r n minus 1. A, what is a? 1 multiply r is 2, 10 minus 1, then 2 raise the power 9, and if you will, then 5 to 9. So 10 terms of GP equal to 512. It is answer. Very simple answer of this question, and easily you will find out the value of value of a, r and n, and after then you will find out it. Now the next question for the sum of geometric progression, GP and short form. Sum of nth terms in a GP, geometric progression. So now nth terms, the formula is Sn equal to a rn minus 1 by r minus 1 if r equal to not 1. Clear? It is formula. Okay. R equal to not 1. A is the first terms, r is the common ratio, and n is the nth terms. So now this basis we will solve the question. What question? Question number 7 of this formula. We will GP equal to what? 10, 30, 90, 270 dot 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 dot. So here a equal to 10, common difference in a common ratio r equal to t2 by t1 या t3 by t2 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 30 by 10 इक्वल टू 90 by 30 इक्वल टू 3. तो r इक्वल टू 3 and n इक्वल टू 4 terms. So now use S4 equal to formula. This formula we will use here. A, what is A? 10, r raise the power n, r equal to 3 raise the power 4 minus 1 by what? R minus 3 minus 1. Clear? Again solve it. 3 raise the power 4, it means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 27 3 is what? 23 7 is 81. So 81 minus 1 by 2 is 5, and here 8, S1 equal to 5 multiply 80, the answer is 400. So it means the sum of 4 terms of this GP, sum of 4th term of GP is 400. It is answer. So lovely students, today we have discussed about the sequence and series, and now I think your understanding is better, and solving the question of these formulas, but clearly you should be understood about the first term, common difference, multiples, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, no prime numbers but even, odd, between, multiples, a divisible of 7 8 9, any numbers, and use directly these formulas, and it is very important chapter and easy chapter, you can say, and solve these question of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.